Roman numerals. On going further, David sees a group of stars which resembles a Roman emperor holding a sword in his hand. He knows that Romans developed a different system of numeration in which the numbers were called Roman numerals. David wants to learn about this system in detail. Let us help him. In the Roman system, there are 7 alphabets which are used as basic symbols to write any number. They are I, it is used to represent 1. V, it is used to represent 5. X, it is used to represent 10. L, it is used to represent 50. C, it is used to represent 100. D represents 500 and M represents 1000. Remember that there is no zero in this system. Now, let us learn about the rules used to read and write Roman numerals. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. For example, 3 times X means 30. Out of the 7 symbols, only I, X, C and M can be repeated. However, remember that they cannot be repeated more than 3 times, and other symbols, that is V, L, D, can never be repeated. If a smaller numeral is written to the right of a greater numeral, then it gets added to the greater numeral. For example, XV equals to 10 plus 5, that is 15. But if a smaller numeral is written to the left of a greater numeral, then it is always subtracted from it. For example, IX equals to 10 minus 1, that is 9. If a smaller numeral is between 2 larger numerals, it is always subtracted from the larger numeral which is immediately following it. Here, I is a smaller numeral which is in between 2 larger numerals C and X. Therefore, C, I, X is equal to 100 plus 10 minus 1, that is 109. Also remember that symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. Symbol X can be subtracted from L and C only. Symbol C can be subtracted from D and M only. Symbol V, L, D are never subtracted. Using this knowledge, let us write the following numbers in Roman numerals. Here, the first number is 49, which is equal to 40 plus 9. Now, as L represents 50 and X represents 10, thus XL represents 40. Now, IX represents 9. Thus, XL, IX represents 49. Now, 320 equals to 300 plus 20. And we know that C represents 100 and X represents 10. Thus, 320 can be written as C, 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 X, X. And 1249 is equal to 1000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 9, which can be written like this. In the same way, we can write Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numeral system. For example, The first number is a combination of x and ix. Thus, it can be written as 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. The second number is this, which is a combination of x, l and VII. Here, XL represents 50 minus 10, which is equal to 40, and VII represents 7. So, the corresponding Hindu-Arabic numeral will be 47. Similarly, we can write the third and fourth Roman numerals as Hindu-Arabic numbers as shown.